Today we are not working on the Bug, we are working on the GTI. Not that one. I told you I wasn't going to make videos about this car because it's overplayed. We're going to make a video about the GTI that's back there. The 89 GTI. It's an Mk2. As I said before, this thing got all bent. And this one has already been converted to Mk3 rotors, which that one already has Mk3 rotors, but they're cross-drilled and these are not. So I don't know what we're gonna do there, but basically we'll see what happens. We need to put this subframe in that GTI, so I gotta move this trailer out of the way, open the gate, and the car, it probably has a dead battery, so we're gonna probably do the work right there. And there she is, the GTI. Yeah, I think I called it an Mk1. It's an Mk2 with Mk3 rotors. Anyways, as you can see, that wheel, this wheel doesn't quite look right. It's like sideways. It's like lots of camber on the top. Yeah, but the wheel's still holding the air though, even though the rim itself exploded. It's really weird. But yeah, we're gonna raise it and we're gonna remove the subframe. But basically, the paint, everything is perfect. It looks like crap because it's been sitting here for 6 months, almost 6 months. Oh, look at all these spider webs. Look it, it's got a shitload of spider webs everywhere. But the paint itself is perfect. We're like fighting who gets to have to go over there and open the door because there's a lot of spider webs everywhere. It's like, I don't want to go in there. No, me neither. No. So we're gonna try to clean out all those spider webs with the broom. I ain't going in there. Me neither. Okay, one of the things, you know, I'm not afraid of anything, but spiders, I just I'm not afraid of them, but I'm just they're icky. That's all I got to say. So my son's gonna be trying to get the spider webs off.
Ah, big ass spider.
It is? Yeah. It's a big ass spider. Is it a black widow?
Well, no, at least not a black widow.
Okay, no black widows. We should be fine then.
We should be good.
You're gonna have to go through there, but to get into that door, because that door is not gonna open.
Oh, you're right. When was I cleaning this?
I don't know.
I thought that's the side we're going. Ah! God damn, another big ass.
Spiders. Yeah.
Well, I'd rather have a spider than a roach.
Yeah.
I don't have roaches.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think I get rid of you.
Yes,
Oh yeah. Come on.
Ah! It's crawling up. Oh, why does it gotta be on this floor?
Why? What's over there?
Big ass spider?
A big ass spider. You're just blowing it away or what?
Yeah, it's working. Okay, we're good.
He's blowing the spider away.
Okay, kill it.
Okay, he killed it.
Ah!
What?
There's another one.
The long lady. ¿Cómo se llama?
Ew.
Long lady.
Long
Legs.
ladies long legs?
Lady long legs. Oh, whatever.
Wait, why am I going here?
You're gonna open the hood. We gotta charge the battery.
Oh, you're right. Okay, fucking bitch.
I'm glad I'm not the one doing that right now. Okay, now that I got the car all jacked up, now you can really see the really bad angle over there. And this is the tire that blew up. This is the tire that blew out. I mean, literally blew out. And the rim, 100% intact, no damage whatsoever. Even though this is the cause. I mean, look at the tread. It's brand new. So we're thinking it probably got a flat, a nail somewhere. It lost air. And in the rain, you know what it is. You know, in the rain, when it starts to rain the first time, it's really slippery, especially while you're making a turn on the freeway. And it's next thing you knew, you lose control and adios. Look at the rim. I mean, look at that rim. It's literally broken.
Both out.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can pull this out because the battery is completely dead. It didn't even have 1 volt. It was completely dead. So we're thinking something inside the car. We left it on. Probably killed the battery completely. Yeah, put it on first. As you can see, when I said it was broken, I wasn't kidding. It literally broke. And this literally exploded. This arm is bent that way. So we're gonna have to redo everything. Looks like even the brakes. Holy crap. The brake line's got.
That's the brake line, huh?
Yeah, that's the brake line.
Right now, like,
it got
broken.
pulled.
Yeah, it got pulled.
How in the hell did it get
Remember
pulled?
when I tried to take off the wheel? I got stuck on the line. I couldn't take it off.
Oh,
So I pulled it off.
Yeah. This is like for small people.
Yeah, there's no space.
There's no space in there. We're disconnecting the brake lines right now. Before we unbolt that bolt right there. This bolt. And that bolt right there. And then we'll do the other side. There's some brake lines on the other side we have to undo also. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're putting on the new subframe. We've got the mechanics down there.
You gotta tighten it up?
We're hooking up the shocks to that bracket right there of the frame.
But like, does it screw in at all?
To this area right here. This guy goes in right there. And then we can put on these guys.
But this one I seen the bolts right there. Okay.
Oh. So we're almost done here. We're just tightening up the strut.
This is going. I'm waiting for you.
Doesn't want to go any deeper?
No, we don't want to do it. Then it's strip or something. Yeah.
Because this one's like almost, I don't know, maybe 2 more turns and it's gonna.
I think it's just easier with that wrench if anything. Yeah, it might be easier with that one.
Oh, okay, okay.
This one's like,
hold on.
This is getting awkward.
All one going shit? Yeah, lovely Spanglish. One going shit. Este ya está. Let me tighten it up. Motherfucker, toma. What? What?
I don't know how this point. I gotta pull
This
it.
side is good and tight, man.
Can you pull it, Jose, so I can get this one out? Okay.
That sounded nasty, man.
I didn't like the look at it.
Oh man, he's good. I love working with these guys. These guys are like just hilarious. Hilarious. These guys are hilarious. Anyways.
I don't know which way it goes though.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey, man.
Alright, you're righty tighty. Towards the front, I think. Yeah, so like.
Ah, okay.
I know you don't live.
Okay. We're almost getting ready to hook up the subframe itself to the frame. To the body. Oh! Yeah, right now we're not, see we're not, we didn't do this first because this needs to go that way because the gas tank usually hits here on the shock over there, so we need to push it over there so they can work on that side, and then we'll pull the frame this way so we can line it up over here. That's the reason we didn't bolt it up first. There's a reason for our madness. All right, we got the subframe in. She's bolted. We've had to manufacture, we're gonna have to make some brake lines because they're different. Because this is from a 91 and this is an 89 chassis, so they're different the way they hook up over there, right? Actually, you can barely see them, they're right there. It's a little different how they hook up. So we're gonna have to make some, we're gonna go to O'Reilly's and get some adapters. So basically, the difference is this. Oh my God. This is actually further over here on that frame, further closer here. So we're gonna go get some adapters for these lines because we're gonna reuse some of these lines since there's nothing wrong with them. And that's what we're doing. Okay, so basically I had to go to O'Reilly's to get an adapter because these guys are just not gonna reach to here. So I have to make some lines, you know, extra lines, but I need a way to hook it up. You know what I mean? Oops. So that's my adapter. That's how I'm gonna hook up to it so that I can bring that line to there. That one actually does go on the first hole. It does go right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that one right now, and then I'm gonna make the other ones. We just finished our connections here. It looks like crap. There we go. Our connections are all done. I'm just inspecting to see if there's any leaks here in this area, in this total area right here, because these three, this one, and this one got replaced. Yeah, I didn't chew those things up. They were already like that. Yeah, I don't do shit like that. Okay, everything seems to be sealing. There is no leak whatsoever. We've been pumping and removing the air out of the system. It appears to be working now. Hey, just out of curiosity, pump it. I want to see if this thing moves or something. Oh. Okay, okay. There is something over here that flexes. That's kind of funky. This thing gets fat when he's pumping it over there. So what I'm looking for, like I said, I'm looking for leaks, and I don't see one darn leak, except I think it was like that though. That one looked like it was a little wet right here, but I think it was already like that. Of course, we'll know with time. If he loses brake fluid, we know where he's going. Nah, it's fine. Okay. This one's no, she's not leaking, so that's good. Let's go to this side. No leaks, and especially this one right here. This one was kind of leaking. Okay. No, no leak. No leak up there. All right. I think we're done. We're done. We're done with this shit. All I need is wheels. We need to get some wheels because those things are pretty much done. Let me just check. I'm yelling at my son. Let go. I'm gonna check how much fluid we have. See if we have any fluid left in here. Okay, we do. We still got fluid. Okay, we're gonna have to go get some more though. Slipping! I have no traction. I have no traction. I'm slipping. But I can push it. Yeah, let's try to push it over there. It's got no traction. Hey! No, never mind. I thought the lights were on, but it's just a reflection from the sun. It's like, what the f? No, it's the reflection. I'm gonna have to turn this off, and yeah, we're just gonna push it in with the thing because we don't have wheels for the rear. Now it's been repaired, it's got brakes, it's got everything. Okay, this is pretty much done for today. He has to go and buy two new tires, one rim, and then we're going to put it in, and it should be drivable. Oh no, wait, we need a tie rod. Damn, we welded a tie rod together just to be able to drive it. Okay, it's almost done. We got the hard part done. This is okay. Adios, muchachos.